how to single arm dumbbell power snatch. The first step is position your legs at the end of your dumbbell. Now we're going to deadlift the dumbbell, and by pushing our hips back and keeping your chest up, we're going to deadlift the dumbbell. Again, deadlift the dumbbell by pushing your hips back and chest up. The second step is, after the deadlift, we're going to pull the dumbbell up to elbow level. So deadlift and pull the dumbbell up to elbow level. Deadlift and pull the dumbbell up to elbow level. And for the last step, we're going to jerk the dumbbell up into a partial overhead squat. So here's how the complete exercise works. V-shaped, deadlift into a partial overhead squat. Back down, deadlift, pull it up to elbow level, and partial overhead squat. One last time. And that's how you single arm dumbbell power snatch.